Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1701 at Hilton Kuala Lumpur. I would do the introduction outside, but there's music playing outside, so I'm doing the introduction inside instead. But as usual, on the outside we have the room number, and next to the room number we have the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. We have the floor plan on the back of the door. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Start to insert the key card for the room's power, together with a light switch right here. There's another light switch right here, with a hook right above, and the bin down below. We have a huge mirror area, and more mirrors right there. Here we have bathroom amenities, box of tissues, towels, more towels right there. And below the sink area, we have a couple of laundry baskets. Speaking of the sink, it is right there. And we have a bottle of body lotion, bottle of hand wash, power outlets, a couple of glasses. And behind this, we have the toilet, with toilet rolls, telephone, here we have the shower area, with a towel, a chair to sit on, with the usual bottles of shower gel, shampoo and conditioner right there. And it is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower as well as the rain shower. Next to the shower area, we have the bathtub with the bath mat, more towels, and we can access the bedroom from right here. Can also slide this door. Or we can close it if we want more privacy. But with the doors open, we let more light into the bathroom. Here, we have more mirrors, and behind the door, behind the mirrors, we have the wardrobe area. We have storage, in-room zippers, hooks, laundry bag, hangers, bathrobes. Right above, we have an extra pillow together with storage. We have drawers right here. These two open from the other side. We have a hair dryer, shelves for storage, and we can enter the bedroom from that door, or we can go out from the way that we came in. If we slide this bathroom door closed, we can access this side of the wardrobe. And here we have the in-room safe. And obviously even more mirrors. Okay, so on the left bedside table, we have storage, a drawer, pillow menu, in-room breakfast menu. There we have a light switch, a USB-A port and a power outlet, with a light right above. And the bed is right there. It is actually a very comfortable bed. And we have a sofa-like thing in front of the bed. There we have the climate control panel with a power outlet down below. And here we have a couple of doors. And behind the doors we have the luggage rack, torchlight, iron, storage, and the ironing board. Flat screen LG TV, desk light, the desk with the desk chair. Here we have a useful map of the room controls together with writing materials, the in-room telephone, and we can scan that QR code to WhatsApp the hotel. Down here we have a USB-A port, a couple of ports for the phone and the internet, a light dimmer knob, power outlet, couple of power outlets, and we have another bin right there. There we have the hotel directory book with the in-room dining menu right above. On the right bedside table, we have again storage, a drawer, and on this side we have the in-room telephone, a clock with USB-A ports right above for charging, and the TV remote. There we have more light switches together with another power outlet and another USB-A port, and another light right above. Here we have the pantry area with 4 bottles of water, the minibar menu, power outlet. There is another power outlet down there. And to the left, we have all the tea and coffee making stuff, glasses, mugs, spoons and tissues, snacks, and right at the bottom we have the kettle. To the right we have the fridge. It is not empty, but there's still space to store your own items in there. We have a sofa right here with a table, as for the view, we can see the buildings around the hotel, the highways next to the hotel, together with all of the buildings in the distance. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1701 at Hilton Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.